Alright, so this whole layout is just a proof of concept for when I move to my next house and I redo it. That's why there's wires over the top and everything. Now they're tucked underneath the track, so things are working. Got my switches set up. So, give an example. See, switch over there. We have some switches over here. So, one thing I did was I used isolators, and I actually have two trains on the track that they can sit there with different throttles. There's one back there's my switcher. We'll take that one out now. So it is a little interesting, and trying to hold phone will be interesting. But so here's my ZW. It's in bad shape. The lights don't work on top. The humming, even when you turn the throttle off, see. So anyway, this is my main throttle for all the track. And I have two trains. I have one right there, one over there. So this is accessory voltage. I actually am using it for a train. So let's give some throttle on the main track. Now let's go ahead. And there we go. This is the throttle I used here to get it out. Go ahead and get her out. And we'll go ahead and park this train. Take the next one out. That would come around. Okay, now, the one thing I did not do, because I ran out of switches, we'll get to switch this guy in. So we'll just, see, pair of pliers. You can manually do it too. So, back the train up. Also watch the throttle here. See? And there we go. Alright, so there is one. Now to operate this train, I have it set to this other accessory voltage over here. So. Okay, come back to this throttle. So here we go. And it's going to come out as well. Not yet. Throw that guy. Still got to work on why does it die down. Let's park it. There's a quick video, so. And I forgot to switch that back over, so we will back up. And for some reason, this one Sunoco car always derails. Hopefully, yep. Well, this time it was the milk. Alright. We have to go back more. Actually, no, we're not. There. Now we'll loop around one. Alright. Same thing. Don't, I gotta get another switch. There we go. And there we go, and that's it. So I was just using this accessory here, down here. This throttle eventually will be used for this guy sitting over here. I can't get this 022 switch working correctly, but once I do, it's not switching. I've taken it apart, messed with it, got to do some more with it. I'll then be able to pull a third train out. Thanks for watching my quick video.